I just wanted to show the ingredients. What I first of all do is I start with the walnuts and the almonds, but you can choose whatever nuts you want. I'll put the recipe up for you, and I just pour those in. I also like to add some sunflower seeds or pepitas. So it's up to you. Reminds me of Brad, he always calls it green. And then I add, at this stage, I add my protein powder. So here's the protein powder. Okay, I use a pea protein because it helps the body to be alkaline. And cancer cannot survive in an alkaline environment. So that's why I use the pea protein. I use cacao. That's for taste. I like things to be chocolatey. So 2 tablespoons of that. I add some cinnamon. Cinnamon helps to speed up the metabolism. So it helps you to burn fat. Yeah, shouldn't have thrown that on the floor. Okay, and this reminds me of my sister-in-law Fia, who's part of this group. Tahini. She used to feed it to her children when they were little. And everyone thought she was nuts, but actually she was way ahead of her time. So thanks, Fia. We're doing what you taught us all those years ago. And that just helps everything to stick together. Okay, now I put the lid on. Sometimes it's tricky. Switch it on. And we go. Excuse the noise. So that went for 53 seconds, okay, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It starts to stick together, all those powders and the nuts, okay. And so what I do then is I add pitted dates, fresh dates. They are soft, okay, they're soft dates, because if they're soft then they will help everything to stick together. And if it doesn't stick together, then you've got a crumbly ball and it's really, really difficult to eat. Especially if you give it to your babies, your little 2-year-olds, then they mess it everywhere. So you want it to stick together, okay? Here we go. You can hear when it stops doing what it's meant to do, and then you just want to push it all back in down to the blade, because you want to keep it going for quite a while. Okay, but it is sticking together very nicely. can see, look, it sticks together. I'm rolling it. And there's my ball. So, there we go. Rolling it, and there's the ball. Great, so protein balls that stick together easily and are very delicious. Nice. With a cup of Earl Grey tea. Enjoy.